Hi guys! This is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to manage all your contracts from your phone. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. You'll also get a free account that you can test out for yourself. So after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to manage all your contracts from your phone using Jotform, start by clicking on the My Forms option, and then selecting My Signed Documents from the given options. This will bring you to the My Signed Documents page, where you can view the contracts you've already created. To create a new contract, click on the Create Signed Document button. You will be presented with two options: upload a document or use a template. For this tutorial, we will choose the Use Template option to utilize a pre-built template. Upon clicking, you will be taken to the template library. In the template library, you can search for templates related to contracts by entering the keyword contracts. Several different templates will appear based on the search results. Let's say you want to use the freelance contract template. Click on the Use Template option under the specific template, and you will be directed to the editor. If desired, you can customize the template according to your specific requirements. However, for the purpose of demonstrating how to manage contracts in Jotform, we won't make any customizations. Next, click on the Send section. In the Recipient section, you will see that one recipient is already listed as yourself. To add your client as a recipient, enter their name and email address. Once you have done so, click on the Send to Sign button. The contract will now be sent to your client for them to review and sign. Once your client signs the contract, you will receive a notification indicating that the contract has been signed. This way, you can easily manage all your contracts from your phone using Jotform's Signed Documents feature. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching, and take care.